Welcome to the Gensuite Solution Series. In this video, you'll explore Management of Change, MOC Manager, a key module within the Change Management Suite.
I'm Rebecca Morris, and I worked with our team of compliance experts to show you how the Gensuite MOC Manager application can standardize the change request and evaluation process to meet basic and advanced change process needs. Change is continuous, from processes, business goals, industry regulations, technology, and even people and organizational responsibilities. The implementation of a new process or other change can bring potential hazards. Applying a comprehensive approach to change management is vital for effective risk management and business success. Gensuite change management software helps functional and operational teams to identify and manage potential risks and compliance requirements associated with changes to operations, equipment, and people. Simplify your management of change process by standardizing processes for the identification, evaluation, and communication of changes. The key capabilities of MOC Manager are to create a site-customized change management process using one standard application. Enable site change indicators to quickly submit change requests using an online interface. Eliminate paper or manually intensive review and sign-offs. The ability to enlist a change management committee to review and sign off on approved change requests prior to execution. To track every change from request to approval to execution to follow-up phases. To monitor change request status easily using My Dashboard or by reviewing automated change request status emails. And lastly, generate an action tracker log for required actions prior to change execution. Let's jump into the MOC Manager module to uncover its capabilities and why our subscribers use it. Welcome to Gensuite's MOC Manager, the offering that enables streamlined management of compliance, process safety, and functional risk arising from facility, equipment and process changes, including change screening, evaluation, review and approval, execution, and follow-up. From the homepage, you can easily access a summary of all site change requests at a glance. The side dashboards quickly provide an overview of the status of all open requests, any pending actions that seem to be taken, and a review of tasks submitted by the change initiator. To view an open request in more detail, simply click. You can expand to view by origin, category, and department. In addition to the standard homepage, you can toggle quickly to see other key homepages that are available. MOC Manager is equipped with powerful reporting and data visualization capabilities to ensure that you can identify trends easily and divert actionable insights. The Manage tab gives you all the tools you need to manage site administrative tasks, such as creating screening questions, checklists, assigning roles, and adding team members. Logging a new change request is simple, as you're guided step by step through the details needed to submit for your change administrators. Initiators can also select to be included in email notifications to get updates on their requests. Notice how at the top of the page, a process tracker banner appears. This tracker continues to update the status of request upon the completion of each section. This gives you full awareness from concept request to approval, and even through the execution and follow-up phases. Once a request has been opened, screening questions will gather additional general details about the request. Change request must go through an initial screening process, which then helps change administrators determine the EHS topics or paths that need to be evaluated before the change is implemented. These questions can vary from multiple choice to fill in the blank, and sometimes have sub-questions that are auto-populated based on the response that is provided. Attachments and additional details can be added to each question as well for further clarification. Administrators can choose from a library of default questions for users to answer or even create their own. If the administrator needs additional details on any specific question, they can simply request follow-up for more information, and they can also attach any relevant documents. Once the screening questions have been reviewed and approved, the system administrator may assign paths or additional sets of questions related to EHS topics. Each path in MOC Manager has an assigned path administrator who will evaluate change requests to ensure all path requirements are met. After all sets of questions have been answered and critical paths have been approved, an email will then prompt the Change Management Committee to review. If this option has been selected, and approve the change request. Was your request approved? Great. It will then enter the execution phase to begin setting your request into motion. Once the execution is complete, and if the Pre-Startup Safety Review, PSSR, is opted for the request, it can be marked as complete by the change initiator executioner. This will then ensure that the checklist is fully completed. Standardize your change management process and mitigate organization and operational change risks with Gensuite's MOC Manager, where you can take charge of your company's change operations from both desktop and mobile platforms. With over 53,000 change requests processed to date across 19 industries and 688 sites, MOC Manager has the proven capabilities you need to easily initiate and complete changes for your organization. Are you interested in learning more? Contact us to schedule a demo with Gensuite experts today.